this video, let's see the 2-inch wheel spacers before and after. After installing the 2-inch wheel spacers, they can move the wheels far away from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Toyota Tacoma's performance tends to get more stable and handling usually improves too. The tire's larger grip also improves. With these Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bombing the aftermarket shop observers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. When rotating, these screws allow the air to flow between the spacers and the brake rotors. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This video can help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day!